I'm sure you've heard of other people talking about their biweekly mortgage payments and how much it saves them. Well, we're going to dive into that today, and we're going to get down to the bottom of the reality, the truth of the biweekly mortgage. We'll look at pros and cons and even pull up an example and look at real numbers. My name's Miles Pitcher. I'm the owner of Superior Lending. Thanks for checking out this video. All right. So first of all, biweekly mortgage just means that rather than making 12 payments a year or one per month, you're now paying every 2 weeks. So you'll make 26 half payments, or in other words, 13 full payments through the year. I want you to remember this, that even if you're like, that sounds great, I want to do the biweekly mortgage, it is going to depend on the servicer and if they allow it. And I often get clients who ask and say, Miles, we want to close this loan with you. We want to do this. Can we do biweekly mortgage payments? And my answer to them is, I'll check with our lender, our servicer, and they may say yes. But as you know, mortgages get sold from servicers to servicers, and we cannot guarantee that the future servicer will allow for a biweekly payment. So just be aware of that. Some of the pros is this is going to give you a faster loan payoff. It'll save you interest, and it allows you to budget your cash flow, meaning most likely at your job, you're going to get paid every other week. So you line this mortgage up with it, and it allows you to budget that money better. If you need that help, that discipline in budgeting, a biweekly mortgage can be a really, really good thing. Some of the cons is it's less flexible. It can be a pain in the rear to get set up. Other things, there may be other needs for your money. And then sometimes they charge an additional fee to get the biweekly payment set up and to service it as a biweekly. So let me make this larger and show you this here. So what we did, and this is a calculator on Bankrate, we put in a $500,000 loan amount, 6% rate, 30-year mortgage. Over the life of that loan at 6% interest, you can see with the red arrow there, you'd pay $579,000 of total interest. If you did straight biweekly payments, you would save quite a bit of money. The green arrow, you'd get $450,000 in total interest. So that's $129,000 of interest saved. That's pretty awesome. We have a little amortization here, and it just shows you that in year 25, you would have the biweekly paid off, and you'd still have $155,000 owing on the normal pay once a month normal situation. So you can see how powerful this is. But I want you guys to be aware of a few things. So the biweekly is good if you need the discipline, but here's the key. If you make one payment extra a year, you will achieve the same exact goal. That's all biweekly is doing. Okay. And so let me say that again. Biweekly payments will save you the same amount of interest as if you made one extra payment a year. Okay. The fact is that when you make a partial payment, like that first half of the payment, the lenders and the documents that you sign say that they will not apply that payment until they have a full payment. So if you think, oh, I'm knocking down my interest, well, the fact is you're not really, because that half payment's not being applied until you add the next half and have a full payment. So beginning of every year, if you were to add an extra payment, make your normal payment plus one extra payment, you would achieve the same exact results as doing biweekly. So if you want to do biweekly, cool. If your servicer doesn't allow it, just set it up so you make an extra payment every single year and you'll have the same results. Paying it down that way is great. It's awesome. You can see that we're able to see how much it would save you. If you have questions, please reach out. My name's Miles Pitcher with Superior Lending. Thanks for checking out my video.